let's just get rid of everything. Hello my celestial friends, I'm Echo, the Saving Sorceress, and today I thought I'd do an impromptu decluttering of my old childhood closet. It's gonna be exciting. I am just so ready to get rid of some of this stuff. I try to keep a capsule wardrobe of clothes at my mom's house so that whenever I go visit her, I don't run out of things to wear. But I realized when I came to visit this time that I don't really love the clothes inside there. I mean, don't get me wrong, most of them are super cute, but I just don't think they're me anymore. I mean, if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm on a journey to create my dream witchy wardrobe, and part of that is giving the clothes away that don't really fit my style and that I don't really feel like I can truly love as much as they deserve. A lot of these are super cute clothes, and I'd love it if they'd go to homes where people actually would wear them and enjoy them and make the most of them, and I just can't do that with some of these clothes. And even though it's just a sort of smaller wardrobe, I don't really come here often, I still feel like I want clothes that I love, because let's face it, if you're wearing clothes that you love, you feel confident, and I want to feel more confident at all times. So it just makes more sense to have clothes that I really like. Maybe not my total favorites, but things that I gravitate towards that make me feel, well, me. I am just super excited to get to it. I think I'm going to be decluttering quite a lot, so let's see how it goes. Alright. First order of business is this cute little dress. I've had it for a really long time, but I'm not going to get rid of it because honestly, it's kind of dark floral, which is totally my scene. You know, green witch at midnight has always been me. And it's really nice to have just a decent dress that I can wear out to things when I come here. So that's a good one. This one though, I think I'm going to say goodbye to. I absolutely love it, but strapless just isn't really my scene anymore. I mean, I guess it has tiny little straps, but I don't love wearing it as much, and mostly when I'm here, I'm going to weddings, and this is a little too white. I've worn it to a wedding before, and I still feel kind of awkward about that. So yeah, I think this one I will let go so someone else can enjoy it. It's a cute dress too. I think someone could wear it to spring formal. And, you know, gotta have my lovely black clothes, definitely keeping those. A nice black skirt. Didn't even know I had that. Ooh, this skirt I've got to show off because I made it. This is actually made out of one of my dad's old shirts, and it's just a cute little mini, and it's got 2 layers on it because it's sheer. But yeah, I've worn it a couple of times and I'm just excited about it. I'm definitely holding on to this one. And this pair of pants I am holding on to as well. They're actually in style right now. I put these in here when they were totally out of style, because I was like, you know, at least they're a pair of pants. But now I'll probably actually bring them with me, wear them, put them in my real wardrobe. Sounds like a good idea. Next I got some basic leggings, always need those, and a pair of shorts. You know, you always need some shorts. A little bit of everything, just not too much of everything. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, that is a doll that you can see. I used to work at American Girl, the store, and it sort of rubbed off on me, or, you know, it was where I was always meant to be. Who really knows? You know, I don't believe in giving up all of your childhood interests just because you became an adult. It's the unfortunate consequence of living, the rest of your life. Doesn't mean you can't enjoy it. Having fun is not childish. It should be an everyone thing. Alright, we got a swimsuit here. Maybe a little strappy for me now, but in case of emergency, a swim emergency. This top, ooh, I'm gonna have to decide. I actually really like it, but I don't really wear it. I'm gonna have to think about that one and bring it up with me. Okay, don't know what that is from. These two, I don't even know how to describe these. These are like casual, sporty, but also business attire. Coconut girl meets country club aesthetic. Yeah, I think that's probably it. It's a nice summer vibes. But I don't think that's me anymore. Ooh, this is cute, but I don't really wear it. It is witchy though. I'm gonna have to decide, but I think this is probably gonna be a no as well. And this is what fell off the hanger. This is a really soft shirt. And I love that about it. And I love the color. But I don't really wear it. Yeah, nope. This is one of my favorite plain old t-shirts. Gotta have some of those. So I'm gonna keep that one. This one is like sort of a Where's Waldo style t-shirt. Or really a Henley. But I don't really wear it that often either. And it's sort of Y2K, so maybe someone else will love it. Yeah. More dark florals. Of course I need to keep this. A t-shirt. And another t-shirt. You gotta hold on to those. Oh, long sleeves. Ooh, this is a nice Aero pastel tee. Very Y2K. But I don't think I really wear it. Well, look at that pattern. But I really love it. And it's really soft. I just don't think it's me. This one though, this one actually used to be pink and brown, and now it's black and blue. Sort of like the dress issue. But yeah, I like it a lot better now. I dyed it just because it was super comfortable, but definitely not in my favorite colors. And this is slightly better. It's always good to have, a striped shirt around. Here's another little Y2K number. Yeah, I think I'll get rid of this one as well, although again, it's super comfortable, so hard to let go. Whoa. Sometimes my shirts get into these weird little shapes and I'm like, who did that? But this is supremely comfortable and cute enough to wear out, but warm enough to wear under things, so definitely a must to keep. And this sweater is like, you can wear it on either side, I guess. Interesting. I don't know, but I'll have to make some decisions because I don't want to get rid of everything. Just most things. We'll see. This sweater is supremely Y2K, but I may hold on to it. It's so soft. And, again, I want to keep some sweaters. What about when it's cold? So, yeah, I think this will stay here. Perhaps. Ooh, I like this jacket though. I don't think it's in at all. I don't know, maybe. Things keep coming in and out of fashion so quickly, I really can't keep up. But it's a nice corduroy jacket. It goes with stuff, makes stuff look a little nicer, so why not? And this is a little velour number, which is extremely Y2K. It's very much in the style of the Juicy Couture velour tracksuits. I never had bottoms for this, which that would have really made the whole thing, but I still love it. Not getting rid of this one. And can you tell me what color this is? I'd say orange, but maybe pink? It's like a marriage between the two. I don't really know. It's never been a huge favorite, but I also wear it all the time, and sometimes I really get into this whole decluttering thing and I'm like, let's just get rid of everything. But you should probably hold on to the clothes that you actually wear. And I do wear this all the time, so this one's gonna stay. Ooh. And it's clinging onto my hair. Cool. Alright. I forgot I even had this, but cool. It's just a fleece jacket. I'm gonna need it. I get cold very easily. But this one is a snazzy little blazer that is really nice, but I don't wear it. So I'm sure someone else can use this. And this is my glorious puffer jacket that I left here for some reason, even though coat styles come in and out of fashion like literally every year. There's like, oh, it's puffers, and then it's trenches, and then it's blazers or whatnot. I don't even know. It doesn't even matter, it's just a coat. And this coat is amazing. It's gorgeous purple with like shining gold in it. Like, who wouldn't love this coat? I definitely need to use it way more often. And just in case you're wondering why I didn't put it back, it's because I'm taking it up with me so I can wear it all the time. Oh. And that's it. I got rid of about half of the clothes, I feel like. Okay, I guess this doesn't count. But like, that's a lot of clothes. That's awesome. I can't wait to sell and donate them to homes where people will actually appreciate them. So, do you have any clothes that you need to declutter from hidden away closets or old bins or boxes? You know, clothes you've forgotten about or haven't thought of for a while? It's time to check. Found another bin of clothes a couple days ago, so I guess I gotta go through that one too. You know, they just pile up after a while, especially when you don't get rid of anything because you're a saving sorceress. But I am just excited to continue on my witchy clothing journey and my decluttering journey, honestly. Just making sure that what I have is what I love and what I use. Most of the summer clothes that I've decided to sell can now be found up on my Depop shop at The Saving Sorceress. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I would really love it if you'd add a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos like this about clearing out closets, thrifting, sewing, growing plants, and saving things, all with a witchy spin. I will be back soon, so stay tuned, and remember, my celestial friends, go and try to find those old bins or boxes or closets that you have clothes stored in, and see if you need to do a decluttering. Be kind to yourself and to the universe, and try to add a little bit of magic wherever possible to your corner of the world. Bye.